Good morning, class. So today we are going to discuss about your fifth unit second, that is the poem My Trip to the Moon. So here one boy, he dreams or he thinks himself that he went to the moon. So how he is thinking and how he is dreams, we will say. So here the boy is reading a book, that is he is preparing for his science exam. He is preparing for the structure of the mouse. Then suddenly the lights went off, and that is the science exam, he didn't know anything. So suddenly the lights, that is the power has been gone, and there will be a large, that is a loud sound. Then the boy sudden that is quickly went to the window and saw there is a one rocket going, and there is that is the rocket is going, and astronaut, that is a people in the rocket wear a blue, that is white dress and a helmet type. So the astronaut is white, and I went out to look. He invited me in a flight off to the moon. So the generally the rockets go to the moon. So this astronaut invited the boy to the moon. That is, he asked the boy to come to the moon. Then we reached there by afternoon. We jumped around. So here this boy went to that moon. That is on the afternoon he reached the moon, and they jumped around. That is, in on the moon there is no gravity, so we cannot stably stand like that on the moon. So there is zero gravity. Then we should that is go on the moon, that is we should fly on the moon only. We jumped around, we and as we could not walk on the ground, it was a lot of fun. So here we could not, on that day we could not walk on the ground. The boy felt very fun matter. I reached home before the setting sun. My science test went very well. So here, after they reached there by afternoon, and after the sunset they reached home again. And my science test was very well. That is on the that is on the beginning of the poem. The boy said that I am learning. That is, I am preparing for my exam. So the test was went very well, but no one knows the secret. That is, no one knows that he went to moon and he enjoyed a lot, which even now inside my dwells. So which is till now, he, that is, that secret is inside his heart only. No one knows the. So by this poem we will saying that the child heart, that is, he is dreaming that he went to the moon and he played and all. So this is very cute and little poem. So hope you understand. Once read the poem, we will understand. Thank you.